Born to be wild. Do, 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 do. Oh. How do I like my rice? Wild. Seriously, is wild rice actually even rice? Kinda, not really, but we'll get into that later. All I know is that it makes a fabulous salad when combined with scallions, fresh fruit like mango, and a little zesty arugula. Hey guys, it's Christine and welcome back to my channel. Believe it or not, another name for wild rice is actually water oats. Who knew? I love food trivia. What is the flavor of wild rice? Wild rice has a chewy texture and an earthy flavor. Wild rice includes 4 species of aquatic grasses that were traditionally eaten in North America and China. It's harvested from shallow water in streams and small lakes. So it's not really a true rice, but in a culinary sense, we commonly refer to it as rice, just to keep things easy. What you're eating when you consume wild rice is actually the plant's stem, whereas with other types of rice, we eat the seed of the plant. One of the best things about wild rice is that a serving is going to contain less calories and have double the protein of brown rice. Move over, brown rice. And if you've watched my video about oxalates in food, that's another bonus when it comes to wild rice, because it has far less oxalates than brown rice. You might be wondering how you soak raw wild rice. Personally, I soak it overnight at room temperature in a bowl submerged with enough water to cover it by about an inch or 2. But some people even like to soak wild rice for 24 hours or as long as 3 days, changing the water twice a day. Soaking wild rice helps to open up the rice and make it more digestible. Now let's go ahead and make a wild rice salad that you are going to go crazy for. I'm making this video in collaboration with Basil Bandwagon Natural Market, where I found all these delicious ingredients I'm about to use. For the salad, we're using 1 cup of wild rice that's been soaked, drained, and rinsed. We're going to combine that with 3 cups of water, or you can use your favorite broth or stock. I'm using purified water from my Berkey filter to soak the wild rice. The next day, you'll see that some of the grains have popped open a little bit. And as you drain and rinse your rice, you might notice a strong aroma and a yellow color to the soak water. That's okay. Nothing to worry about. That's normal. So in a medium saucepan, we're placing the wild rice, along with the water or broth, and a little pinch of salt. We're bringing this to a boil over medium-high heat. Then reduce the heat to low, cover it, and simmer for 50 minutes or until the rice is tender. While it was cooking, it started to foam up a little bit, so if your wild rice does that while it's cooking, just simply tilt the lid so that you give it a little bit of ventilation. Drain it if needed and let the rice cool. While it's cooking, we're going to make our dressing. Time to make the dressing. In a small bowl, we're going to combine together the juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 to 2 tablespoons of either raw honey or maple syrup, and sea salt and white pepper to taste. I'm placing my cooled wild rice in a large bowl. I'm going to coarsely chop 5 ounces of baby arugula. Time to chop the radishes. Add the arugula, 1/2 cup of chopped scallions, 1/2 cup of diced fresh mango, and the salad dressing. Stir well and adjust the seasoning to taste. Store in the refrigerator covered for up to 3 days. This salad tastes best when given at least an hour to marinate before serving. So there you go, a delicious, beautiful, and nutritious wild rice salad. Comment below if you've ever tried wild rice and what you think of it. And if you end up making this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Natural Kitchen School. And be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You can also share this video with someone you know who enjoys cooking. See you the next time!